Alright, let's talk about our latest project in Pasadena. You can't tell by looking at it now, but this space used to be an oversized, crowded laundry room. Our homeowners had a vision, and we knew we could bring it to life by transforming this underutilized area into a modern, stylish bathroom. This vertical emerald green tile adds texture and depth. One of the most unique elements of this renovation is the pattern floor tile. This wild geometric design really creates a bold statement, tying the entire room together, don't you think? We went with walnut wood tones to add warmth. You can see it here in the cabinetry. The walk-in shower is the star of the show. You can see the emerald green tiles here again, bringing a cohesive look to the entire bathroom. The matte black shower head fixtures complement the rest of the bathroom, while the built-in shelves provide both function and style. We want to give you a look at what the bathroom looked like before the renovation. Here you can see how cramped this laundry room was that was taking up so much real estate in this house. By the end of the renovation, our homeowners were so glad that this oversized laundry room turned into this gorgeous, fully functional bathroom. We created a space that not only looks great, but also adds value to the home.